Father's Day is a time for dads to relax and spend time with their children, but one dad gets to spend a whole lot of time with his daughter because they work side by side as doctors at the Dignity Health Medical Group, Sierra Nevada Urgent Care. And this morning we welcome Dr. Roger Hicks and Dr. Maria Hicks. Good morning to you both. Dr. Roger Hicks, happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Explain for our viewers the journey for both of you to become doctors.
The journey to become a doctor?
Yes.
Well, I wanted to do something to help people. I spent some time in South America, and that convinced me that that was my my calling, I guess, in this life.
And how did you convince your daughter to follow that path?
Oh, I didn't. I didn't.
Yeah, it took me kind of being on my own on a expedition in the Grand Canyon, and somebody fell and dislocated their shoulder, and nobody knew what to do. And I knew that if my dad were here, he would know what to do. Well, I should know what my dad knows, and that was a big catalyst for me.
That's incredible. Okay, so explain for people what it's like to work alongside each other. So is it harmony? Do you disagree sometimes? How does that work? How does that dynamic work?
Well, I've always had, my dad's always been a mentor for me throughout my medical training and even before, but since medical school and residency, he's been a lifeline countless times for me to call and consult, and just a great resource. And it's fun. It's fun working with my dad.
Okay, so Dr. Roger Hicks, we didn't hear you say it's fun. Is it is it fun for you as well?
It's great, yeah. I mean, Maria didn't say that before she went to medical school, she went to acting school.
Ah.
And then, but decided after that, Grand Canyon experience and some things that happened that this was what she wanted to do. So what I find is throughout her medical school and residency training, and even now to some extent, she come to me and ask me questions because I have more experience. But what's happening now is it's this two-way street because she has more recent training.
Sure.
I'm asking her about certain things, and then she asks me about, well, what would you do in this situation? And so it's really become this mutual give and take. And
of course, that ultimately benefits the patients. What is their reaction when they do find out that there is a father-daughter duo in the same facility?
I think they like it, find it charming. It's very small town of us.
Yeah. I mean, of course, I'm her father, so they probably tell me, it may be a little biased, but I love it because the patients say, oh, your daughter is so, I saw her the other day. She's so wonderful. A few of them say, oh, yeah, I saw your wife as my doctor, which is pretty funny, but...
That is awesome. Well, thank you both for being with us this morning. We appreciate it. What an incredible role you both play. And so we thank you for the work that you're doing. And again, Dr. Roger Hicks, we do say Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, Randy.
Well, also